Travel to Rayong with confident distance from COVID-19. Come out to experience the new normal way of travel in the open air vibe. Feel ventilated air and let the good natures of Rayong heal your body and soul. Take a stroll through Lotus Looking Bone, Bung de Bois, a new landmark in Rayong. Swimming and grading with the Mazio barfish. Take a walk up the mountain to exercise your strong lungs. And immerse in the beauty of the Khao waterfall. Placing tents for camping at the Klong Pakang waterfall. Relax in the tranquil natures and away from the crowd. Just that you know how to adapt yourself and knowing how to protect yourself and those around you, so you can travel with peace and mind everywhere in Rayong.